Hi, I'm Carla Dimattina from Ritam Studio. Let's get started with a really quick butt workout. I'm going to get you to come down onto your forearms. So plant down through your hands, your elbows, and let's extend your right leg back. When you take the foot back, just make sure you haven't dropped all the way over to your right hip. Your left hip, sorry. I want you to have even weight through both arms here. Now with that, lift the right leg up and lower. Maintain that even weight going through both arms. You can keep the left toes curled under or just the top of the foot onto the mat. I prefer them to be curled under. Lifting and lowering using your belly and your butt. So your belly helps your butt lift. Let's take 3 more. On your next one, keep the leg up here. Turn it on a diagonal, lower it and lift, lower and lift. Just adding that external rotation here. Let's take 5 more. On your next one, I want you to keep the leg up, bring the foot back to center. You're doing little circles here, drawing the circle from your hip. 2 more this direction, and then you're going to reverse the direction. Keep your shoulder blades engaged. Make sure you're not up with your upper traps touching your ears. Let's take 2 more circles, then hold the leg in center here. You're going to take these circles bigger now. So we did small circles, now we go big. 5 more this direction. And then reverse it, other way, up and around. Big circles drawing from your belly and your hip. Let's go 2 more. Hold the next one up. Draw the knee into your belly. Lift it back up. Then open the knee. Try and touch the elbow and take it back up. Draw it in. Open up. In towards your elbow. Kick the leg up and back. Stay with these. I know these ones are hard. Kick up and back. It's short workout. So we're going to go straight to where we get the burn. In and back. Let's go 5 more. Draw it in. Kick the leg up. Touch the elbow. Extend it back. In. Two more. On your next one, keep the leg up. Stay up here. Come up onto your hands with that leg up. Lift off your left knee. Just come to a 3-legged dog. Take that leg all the way up. Bend the knee in towards the chest. Step the leg through. Drop the back knee down and just straighten out that front leg. Enjoy a little stretch. Bend the knee, open the chest. Again, come back, stretch it. Then bend it, open the chest. Last one like that. And then open. Sweep that leg back and up. Drop both knees down. Come to child's pose. Then push through the tops of the feet and the shins as you round the spine to come forward. Lower the hips. Open the chest. Then come down onto your elbows, forearms. Lift your hips up. We're going to go straight into the left side. Straighten the leg. Lift and lower. Remember, check the right hip. Is it off to the side of the mat? If it is, bring it back. Keep it in line. Keep even weight through both arms. Push down through the palms. Shoulder blades engaged. All of your key points here to make this move efficient. 2 more here. On your next one, hold the leg up. Turn the foot on the diagonal. Lower the foot. Tap it down. Lift it up. In heel, taps and lifts. Keep pulling that right hip back. Keep your hip bones squared off to the mat. 4 more here. Then we're moving into our little circles. On your next one, keep the leg up, bring the leg back to center. Draw the circles from the belly and the butt. And reverse the direction. Keep your rib cage connected. Come back to center. Let's draw bigger circles now. Keep the control through the hips. Reverse the circles. Last 10 in this direction. Stay controlled. Don't let your rib cage drop. Using your obliques, using your abdominal muscles here to stabilize through your center. Also working through your shoulders. 2 more. On your next one, keep the leg up. Draw the knee into the chest. Extend it back up. Touch the left elbow and back. Draw it in, kick it back up, tap the elbow if you can and back. In, kick it up, tap the elbow, take it back. In. Might be harder on this side because we already worked the other side. And now that right hip, the right glute is working to stabilize us. Let's go 5 more. Control with your belly, driving and leading the movement. 2 more. Next one, hold the leg up, stay here. Come up onto your hands. Lift off that bottom knee, lift that leg up, enjoy that stretch. Then bring the knee to your nose, step the leg through, drop the back knee. Straighten the front leg out, enjoy that little hamstring stretch. Bend the knee. Open the chest, then come back. Again, forward, open, pulling the right hip forward, left hip back. 1 more, straighten that left. Then come forward and hold. Lift off the back knee, turn to the long edge of the mat. Just wiggle your hips side to side. Taking a little figure of 8 here, loosen them. And then roll it all the way up. Open to come down. Roll it up. Open to come down. Last one. Open to come down. Great job, guys. If you enjoyed that, join me on ritam.studio where I have plenty more workouts.